In this place, the level of insecurity is now unbearable. Our people here can no longer even keep livestock, especially cattle, because of rampant cattle theft. Our people here are being killed like chicken, sometimes as early as 6 p.m. Especially my youth, the border riders, are really facing serious problems of insecurity. People are being killed in broad daylight, sometimes as early as 6 p.m., sometimes 7 p.m. And they can't actually walk freely in their own neighborhoods as a result of the skyrocketing levels of insecurity. So we are calling upon whoever is responsible, the Inspector General of Police and the Cabinet Secretary responsible for Interior, to do something about it, and very urgently so that our people here can live in peace, can live in an environment which is secure, for them to go about their day-to-day businesses, knowing that they are protected. The cardinal responsibility of any government which is in power, regardless of how that government came to power, is to protect the lives and property of wananchi. If a government cannot protect the lives and property of its people, then that government has got no business remaining in power.
Insecurity. The other day in Kisumu, we were not very happy with the level of insecurity in the city. And this one, that's why we have taken it to the doorstep of the minority leader to issue a strong statement in Parliament. Because the issue of insecurity in Nyanza region and all parts of Kenya is worrying. You can not have young boys between 18 to 23 years killing people, mugging people, raiding people. They even kill police officers. The police has no problem. The police cannot patrol without fuel in the vehicle.
Yes.
The police cannot patrol without any facilitation. You cannot tell me that the whole of Siaya you have few patrol police.
Na murari with honey